We got a 2012 Chevy Camaro SS. It's got long tube headers right there and right there. He brought it in, all the clamps were leaking, so we welded them all up for him. And we're just gonna show you guys how the setup is. It's got high flow cats right there and right there. Then it's got 3-inch all the way back into an X pipe that's 3-inch. Then 3-inch continues, true dualed all the way back, straight piped into 4-inch tips right there and right there. It's a stainless steel system. So we'll let you guys hear it, see how you guys like it. But yeah, we welded all the clamps. We hate clamps, they always leak. So we always take them off. You're gonna go beast mode, bro. When you leave, get on it, okay?
Yeah,